Hello, my dear friends. I am Saroj Thakur, a quality department head. I am working as a quality department manager in a automobile manufacturing unit. We are supplying manufactured parts to the OEMs like Maruti, Suzuki, Ford, and many others. Friends, I am having approximate 10 plus years of experience in quality department. I have worked in many industries who are directly or indirectly supply part to the OEMs. So I have noticed that the freshers and inexperienced engineers who are aspiring and struggling in the field of automobile industries to get the better opportunities and job, they lacks practical awareness of manufacturing unit, that how and we work in a automobile industries, what are the aspects and things they should know about the manufacturing unit, especially in automobile unit, so that they can get the practical awareness and knowledge to work in a dream company where he or she can give their best to the automobile industries. So friends, today I would like to discuss about the basic and primary aspects that every freshers and inexperienced engineers, senior engineers and AMs should know, that what are the things that we need to improve while working and learning. So let's discuss that the automobile industries. Friends, automobile industries in India basically have been categorized in two ways. The first one is manufacturing and the second one is assembly. First of all, I would like to discuss about the manufacturing unit. Manufacturing unit is known as vendor or supplier company or industry who manufacture the parts and directly supply to the OEMs like Maruti, Ford, Toyota, Hero, Honda, and they assemble their parts to the final vehicle like two-wheeler, four-wheeler and others. So let's discuss about the vendor or supplier industries. Vendor or supplier industries, friends, are categorized in three different categories like tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. Here tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3 is layer wise manufacturing unit. Means tier 1 is the direct supplier to the OEM, and tier 2 is the direct supplier to the tier 1, and tier 3 is the direct supplier to the tier 2. Let's understand tier 2. Tier 1 is a sub supplier to the OEM. Tier 2 is the sub supplier to tier 1, and tier 3 is sub supplier to the tier 2, that we have already discussed. Now we understand that the tier 1 is direct supplier to the OEM, tier 2 is the indirect supplier to the OEMs, and tier 3 is also known as job worker or someone who do value adding job like plating, coating and others, paintings also. I hope that you have understood the vendor or suppliers and its categories, that is tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. If you need any clarification, then you can let me know in the comment box, so that I will clear further. Now let's understand that the any private industries how they work inside the plant, manufacturing plant. So any manufacturing unit works with a system and with the various departments. So basically the department of automobile manufacturing units have been categorized in supply chains and operations. Supply chains means like utility department like purchase, marketing, store, dispatch and etc. Now the second one is operation. Operation means the manufacturing unit who actually convert the raw material into the final goods and they finally supply to the OEMs for assembly and final vehicle manufacturing like two-wheeler and four-wheeler. So operation has quality assurance department and that is also known as quality control department. Now the second is production department, maintenance department and human resource. So these are the units of department of automobile manufacturing units. I hope that this is the basic aspects that I have already discussed with you in very first interaction with you guys. So if you need any further clarification, please let me know in the comment box and I will come with the second video with the next explanations and we will go one by one in actual and practical knowledge as of now in 2022 and 2023 and ahead till 2030, the how the industries are going to work and what are the basic knowledge and understanding that needs to the fresher engineers and senior engineers and inexperienced persons who are working in any below mentioned departments. So I would like to help you to get the practical awareness and to get your dream job. Thank you very much, dear friend.